Most designs you see for the offices are designed for efficiency, but not this one. This one was designed for consciousness. Hello, welcome to Modern Zen. The fundamental question when we were designing this office was, can office be designed as sanctuary? The answer is yes. Hello everyone, this is architect Pankti Shah from Amok Designs, and today we are here to share this amazing Modern Zen office with you guys. Welcome. So before starting anything, I wanted to discuss about the client's brief. क्लाइंट का एक सिंपल ब्रीफ था कि हमें एक ऑफिस चाहिए जहाँ पे हम रिलैक्स हो सके, कैफ़ेज की तरह, जहाँ पे हम लंबी शांति से मीटिंग कर सके, जहाँ पे फील्स लाइक मेडिटेटिंग, मोर पीसफुल. They wanted the whole design to be in a flow, very simple, peaceful, and very subtle. So they wanted something where the reflection of their personality comes in, as clients like to go for meditation, tracking, and they go around a lot of small cafes. They wanted to have this office where the culture is very open and very simple and very subtle, where they can feel zen and they can work in a flow state. So जैसे ही आप एंटर करते हो, you see a reception table and a nice cozy entrance. So it is very small reception because they didn't wanted something to overly focused on the waiting and people coming inside, which is now this space is divided again with a nice storage and a nice plantation where they have a very formal staff sitting on the other side, and this side is a reception space. So the whole concept was on the lines of Japanese design, which is known as wabi sabi, and the whole concept was on a neutral palette. Even the reception table is laid with the marble, and even when you see this custom gray panel over here, it gives that reception feel. The client was really sure because they have multiple businesses. They didn't want to put any particular brand name, and they wanted the space to be very commonly used for everyone. So they had no branding done on the reception. So once you come towards the office area, there is this really pretty wall here, an amazing wall, which is done in a CNC panel wall with a texture where the clients have given their vision on the board. The whole concept behind this was client wanted to give out their vision of the progressive work what they do and the quality and the service they provide in the industries. So the whole concept they have laid down in the vision wall so they can feel the gist and work accordingly and give their best foot forward.